Hello, my name's Chris, and we welcome you to the second video of our How It Works series. Today we're visiting one of Marble.com's 4 stone yards, which is located in Ridgefield Park, New Jersey. Here you can browse our extensive inventory with more than 1,200 stone colors available in stock. You can view full slabs of quartz, granite, marble, quartzite, and other natural stones. You can even consult with one of our experienced sales associates, receive a free project estimate, and pick up complimentary samples. All of our locations are fully stocked and independently operated and open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. No appointments necessary. And while there is no need to schedule an appointment, here are some tips to make your visit efficient and successful. First, we highly recommend you bring samples or swatches of other finishes you'll be using for the project. For example, when shopping for a kitchen countertop, consider bringing cabinet, flooring, and backsplash samples. If you don't have samples available on hand, no need to worry. Our virtual rooms, available on Marble.com's website, allow you to pair any stone in our inventory with hundreds of cabinet, floor, and backsplash options. Now next, consider the weather conditions. It's recommended that you visit our outdoor yards, such as those located in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York, in overcast conditions. And that's for the best shopping experience. Now keep in mind that while you can view our slab inventory in all weather conditions, rain or snow can make the stone appear darker. Our new QR code system is another time saver and will conveniently add your stone selections to your Marble.com profile. Simply scan the sample you see on the sample board to view material information, stone location, and its specifications. Then share your selection directly from your mobile device or save your favorite slabs to view at home later. Keep in mind that Saturdays are typically busier than weekdays. For multiple projects or final slab selections, we do recommend you visit us on weekdays. Please note that no children under 16 will be allowed in the slab yard. Need a quote or have design questions? Our team of stone experts is always here to help. Bring your project layout along with dimensions for an instant on-site quote, and don't hesitate to ask one of our associates for design advice. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll discuss how to prepare your project for templates.